In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your company colors in Klaviyo. This process is straightforward and will help ensure that your email campaigns are consistent with your brand identity. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, start by navigating to the left-hand panel of your Klaviyo dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but the one we're interested in is labeled Content. Give that a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu offers a few choices related to the aesthetic elements of your campaigns, but to proceed with adding your company colors, select Images and Brand. This option will take you to a new section where all branding elements are handled, including color management. Once you're there, you'll notice a tab labeled Brand. Selecting this tab will guide you to the Colors section, which is exactly where we want to be for the tasks ahead. Here, you can manage and view the colors that are currently associated with your brand within Klaviyo. If it's your first time setting this up, don't worry, it's pretty intuitive. You'll see an option to Add Colors, which is your next step. Clicking this button will prompt you to provide some details about the colors associated with your company. Begin by entering a name for the color group. This name will help you easily identify the colors you're working with later. It's helpful to use names that are descriptive, like primary brand colors or accent colors, depending on how you categorize your palette. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the specific color codes. You can do this by entering the hex code, or, if you prefer, the RGB values of your company colors. These codes are crucial as they ensure an exact match representing your brand's colors. Whether it's a bright red, a muted blue, or anything in between, using the precise color codes guarantees consistency across all your marketing materials. After you've entered the details for your company colors, the last step is to simply hit the Save button. This action will store your color choices within Klaviyo's system, making them readily available for use in any future email campaigns or other branding efforts. And there you have it. You've successfully added your company colors to Klaviyo. Now your emails can consistently reflect the unique style and identity of your business. Remember, maintaining brand consistency not only helps in building recognition, but also fosters trust and loyalty among your audience. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're all set to reflect your brand's identity through your email marketing. Thanks for watching and happy creating.